Do you guys want a sneak peek of Nomadik Customs' newest build? It's pretty cool. See, I'm not the only one making videos out here. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek into the Nomadik Customs' newest build. I was going to vlog this, and I just decided to, at the end of the day, which is now 5:30 in the evening, start this vlog. I am actually sitting out in front of Nomadik Customs. Got up early this morning. When I say early, I'm not a morning person by any means. Around 6:45, 7 a.m. Hit the road. I packed up last night, the night before. I've got a whole bunch of stuff back here. I have to go to Portland because my buddy Mark here at Nomadik Customs wanted me to tour one of their newest creations, which I'm looking forward to. I wanted to kill a couple birds with a stone, so I started reaching out to people on, hey, do you have anything I can tour, any of this, any of that? And I got hit up with a bunch of other, you know, builders and a couple other people. Got to Benchmark Vehicles 10:30 this morning. I did a video for a custom mat company. They do like van mats, like in the back of vans. They also do in the front cabs. They do it everywhere. It's crazy. It's actually really cool stuff. It's like a woven vinyl, but that video will be coming out in the near future. And then I did a video with Benchmark Vehicles himself, and I've never done a Benchmark vehicle tour. These vans are $200,000 plus rigs. They are absolutely ridiculous in a good way. And then I came over to see my buddy Miles at Light Harvest Solar, and one of his employees and girlfriend lives out of a bus, out of a shuttle bus, so I had to tour that one. Finally done with my day, and I'm at Mark's shop. Let me see if it's cool if I bring in the camera. But let's go say hi to my buddy Mark. I haven't seen him in a while. And then tomorrow I'll vlog a little bit of the day tomorrow because I'm going over to Jason over at Off Grid Solutions. Look at some suspension upgrades for the Jeep because it needs it. Let's find out where I'm staying tonight. I'm either gonna be propping the tent up inside of Mark's shop, or I'm going to be staying on his couch. I haven't decided yet, or maybe he hasn't decided yet. I kind of want to prop the tent up in his shop. I don't know if I'm allowed to, so we'll see. All right guys, I'm in Mark's shop right now. There he is right there. I just want to point this out that I'm grabbing my phone. It is 7:20, okay, in the evening, 7:20, and Mark is still sitting here in his shop doing work. I would kind of walk around and show you guys everything. Some of Mark's clients are followers of mine, and he wants those vans to be a surprise to them. If I go over there and show them on camera, then the surprise is gone, and we don't want to do that, buddy. Nomadik Customs is expanding like crazy.
Yeah, we're doing good.
You kind of just toured me around your shop again.
We have upholstery now, powder coating, we have aluminum welding, be able to start doing kits with the CNC, as well as the custom builds that we're doing. And big news is we're gonna possibly bring a couple of distributors into the warehouse too. So
I don't know if he has enough. Look at this. I'll just give you guys a quick little look at his board of things to do. I don't know if he's here. Rolo, come here, bud. Come here. Where's that little mouth curl? There it is. Oh, and he just walked right past me.
That's because he knows who the most important person is.
He knows who Papa Bear is.
Gotta go say hi to Papa first.
The main reason why I came to Portland was because of you. He has a van tour that is going to be coming out relatively soon. Probably one of the nicest vans that I've ever set foot in.
Definitely the nicest one that we've put out.
You know what's funny is I vlogged about it forever and a moon ago, and we were going to do the process build. I had to leave Portland due to personal reasons. You know, I only got like 1 or 2 videos in of this thing. So I'll actually throw up some old footage of that, you know, in this video and in your tour. Yeah. So it'll be really interesting to see it empty and then see it built out the way that it's done.
It's kind of fun. I don't want to brag on it too much, but
I'm going to.
But my guys did a really amazing job. It's a sculpture.
It's an art piece.
It really is. It's a one of a kind. Will never ever get produced again.
I'm just gonna pop out here because I don't want to make sure I don't show any vans here. Electrical system. That's pretty cool. I know, I'm not showing anything. I'm not showing anything. All right, guys, before I get punched in the face, I will pick this up tomorrow.
Hello.
Mark was so kind to take me to his suspension guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm looking to get the suspension done on the Jeep.
And we're picking up a van.
And we're picking up the van. I'm actually going to be touring, right?
Yeah.
Are we touring it today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Because she's leaving.
They're leaving tomorrow.
If I can, I'll try and get a sneak peek on this vlog of the van. but the full tour of it will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. From what everybody is saying, this is a work of art.
It's a sculpture.
So here's the thing: if you don't live up to my standards, if you don't live up to this hype, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay. So let's all be the judge of this. Oh, that's mean.
Get to the right.
No, wait, you told me to get on the far left. Now I have to get to the right. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this. I'll see you guys later. All right, so now I'm at Jason's shop. What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's going on?
On this vlog, can I show this?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Nope, there's no point. I've been waiting till it was done to show everyone.
Is it done?
It's done. It's up there.
I mean, it's on the roof of your van. Now, this is your van that you're building out. It's a spec van.
It'll be for sale. We used it as a test bed and everything to go ahead and grab some measurements and whatnot off the new, the new body style van, and also to develop some of the things and have one in house that didn't need to go away for a minute. They're gone. There's no more left. So
This is a 4x4.
This is a 4-wheel drive. It's got 30 miles on it. It also.
And you don't want to show the camera the inside because it's still being worked out.
Yeah.
And you've got some trick stuff going on.
We got some cool things in there, and I'm not ready to show that off just yet.
Okay.
And hopefully we will be ready at maybe the Adventure Van Expo this year in Hood River.
And Hood River.
So
you have a cutout right here
for the ladder.
For the ladder.
Yep.
That are you fabricating?
Yep, and we're building that one. We just moved into the new metal shop, so that one will be going to powder coat hopefully next week, and we'll have that all bolted on once it's.
So there will be a ladder, but as of right now, you have this ladder.
The Luminous ladder. Yep.
Is that staying?
That will stay as well. Yeah.
So you have 2 ladders.
There'll be 2 ladders on it. Yep. You got to have the rear tire mount as well. So either way, either put a different rear tire mount or just leave the ladder. So when we bought the van, it actually came with an Luminous rack. It came with an Luminous box.
You got all this rack and all this good jazz going on. Why don't you climb up first, and
Okay.
I will get you on camera doing this cool, doohickey. I'm gonna toss you the GoPro.
That's a lot.
I'm gonna leave it recording, and you can spin it around and watch me coming up.
Okay.
Woo!
We did.
Whoa, wait, you're standing on your panel, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. No big deal.
No big deal.
So that's part of the deal. That's one of the things.
Can I stand on this?
Yeah, of course.
Dude, I'm a big guy.
Stand on it.
All right.
Yeah, just step on.
I'm standing on his panel. That we're
400
not
watts lift. How
technically
about we
supposed to
both
do.
go on there?
Oh man, I'm a heavy dude, bro.
Come on, don't be scared. We've had 4 people on this thing. It's not going anywhere.
You're 230? That's John. That's one of Jay's employees. Dude, you're jumping. Don't jump on your panel, bro. How many watts is
Everything
this?
fine. 400.
400 watts. I love your Shishuggi bond.
Had to have it. It's good for 80 years outside, so we couldn't figure out anything else that was going to look as good and work as good.
This is your custom rack now.
Correct.
This is what you do for sprinters now.
Yep, we'll have this one for sprinters. Yep, but everyone, like you said, is going to be custom just because everybody's got a different layout. Everyone maybe wants a ladder in a different spot, has a fan in a different spot, wants an awning, doesn't want an awning. I don't know if you even noticed, the bottom tube is actually 1.5 inches and the top tube is 1.25 inches. And then the other thing we did, there's Mac track everywhere.
I was going to mention those. Those Mac tracks are made for hooks or clipping stuff in.
Same thing that's on my van.
So that's actually his girlfriend's van. That's the dual slider T1N.
Dual slider T1N.
I can't wait to tour that when it's done. Did you finally get it done?
We're getting there.
Okay.
Everything's going
Jeez,
to woodworking
man.
hopefully soon.
And then that's Jason's personal rig on the end, also a T1N. 2004, 2004?
2006, 2004.
2006, 2004. Okay. The T1Ns are great vans. So if somebody contacts you and wants this roof rack, and they say, I want to customize it with this panel or do whatever, like maybe move the panel to the front, the vents in the back, they can do that? They can start contacting you for this?
Yeah, that we're ready. We've got the full shop up and going. We've got fabricators sitting there. Our tables
Well, I
are
just
built
put you
and
on
ready.
blast, so let's do it.
Yep, Marissa's ready for it. She's
Marissa's his girlfriend.
She gets all the emails, so you gotta talk to her.
Finally, we have an admin person, is what you're saying.
We needed it. It got crazy. There's 6 full-time employees now, and another one starting on Monday, and we're gearing up to help more people.
These are my friends. Yeah. This is what I get. This is what I do. I have friends in literally high places.
Look at this, and you're just stand on it.
I'm afraid to put
stand on it.
Okay.
Does it feel unsolid to you?
No, it doesn't. It feels great because you put things
There's all
underneath
kinds
it.
of reinforcements.
Yeah, he put reinforcement.
I know, we did all this stuff. How much do you think this rack weighs with everything on it? Except we didn't weigh it with the awning, so we can get the weight of the awning.
I'm just gonna throw out a company that I know out there that what they weigh, full rack, full lights, full solar panel, is about 460, 450. Guessing, if you're proud of your weight, I'm guessing yours is around the 2 range.
The rack without the awning weighs 175, with all the lights and the panel.
Woo! Woo!
So if it's aluminum, you might as well make it that way. The perforation is what takes up a lot of the weight, because even if you're only removing 50% of the metal out of a 1/4-inch sheet, it's heavy. So that wood is not. All the moisture has been baked out of it.
So I was trying to leave. Why would I be able to leave, right?
You caught something with your eye on the way in. You wanted to check it out.
I wanted to show it off. And I actually just wanted to see his puppy.
Banshee, that's a shop dog.
Yeah,
and this thing is actually really cool. And the story behind this whole thing, what they do is they take people out on camping adventures. Yeah, we're supplying the power system to run these huge 2 Nomadics so they can do massive off-grid cooking. That's their deal. Is like high-end cooking in the middle of nowhere on these like 4-day adventures. They bring the tents, they bring everything. It's Camp Yoshi is the name of it. We'll be sharing some more on that too.
Oh, I've heard of them. They're Camp Yoshi. Camp Yoshi.
It's awesome. This is their power supply.
Is this their panel?
This is their panel. They're getting a 400 Solaria. Yep, gotta have it. In this little box right here, because they are going to expand to about a 6 battery system, so they'll have more power to cook. This one here is just going to be what we're going to run for. I have a lot of requests for cargo trailers and other things right now besides vans. This is our standard 2 battery system packed into a Line X or Rhino line type cabinet. Everything is on it. It's kind of set up like a Goal Zero where everything is already there. Camp Yoshi.
Camp Yoshi.
Yep.
Like the dude on Mario Kart?
Yep.
Like Yoshi?
Spelled like Yoshi.
Is it spelled the same way?
Yep.
Yeah. I love Super Mario. Apparently I just got a shirt. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no problem. We're working on doing
Nice.
a 15,000 follower giveaway because we're climbing so rapidly. We're at 12 and some change.
Well,
So
then go give him a follow, and
good.
you're doing a 15K giveaway. Do you know what you're doing? Are you gonna
Not
give one of
yet.
these away?
We're gonna be giving something pretty good away. Not sure
Really?
exactly what yet.
All
But
right.
it'll be worth it.
Do you guys want a sneak peek of Nomadik Custom's newest build? He's doing some footage for his website. It's pretty cool. See, I'm not the only one making videos out here. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek into the Nomadik Custom's newest build. To behind the scenes, into Mark's newest creation. What's up, buddy? Whew. I know we've seen you plenty in this vlog, but we haven't seen this one at all, ever, in any of my vlogs.
New face.
New face.
New face.
Cass, what are you doing?
Right now?
You're talking to a camera, but
Yeah, I am.
oh my god, why are you here?
To be the face of Nomadic Customs
So
on the YouTubes.
on the
Yeah.
YouTubes, yeah.
And the voice, I guess, too. But
You're
really,
doing voiceover?
really just the extension of the genius.
Wow.
Well,
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
wow, thank you.
You're
Wow.
welcome.
But also
It's true.
equally a genius because Cass is the one who has kind of like put together the entire narrative for this. So
All right,
it's
stop
really awesome.
boosting each other's egos. Man.
Just
Jeez.
fanny.
How
Same thing.
dedicated the two of them are, and I guess you can include me in this one too. Cass, what time are you working tomorrow?
I have to be there at 4 o'clock in the morning.
4 a.m.
And it is.
It is 9:50 in the evening right now.
Yeah.
9:50 p.m. So shout
No
out to
rest for the
her.
wicked.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
you know,
Dreams don't work unless you do.
there you go.
Right? Cliche
So
tagline.
for that, you want to give your Instagram handle so people can find you?
Yeah, it's just Cassidy Granmo. It's nothing special, but it's
Nothing
just me.
special. It's
me.
just her living her best life.
Yeah. Yes. Precisely.
See, your
Doing
eyes got really
whatever.
big there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna finish up a video because apparently I'm doing cinematography for Mark as we do this. He directs me while
Directing me.
Yeah, while I'm trying to cook. You know, I'm exhausted. I'm
Yeah.
out of here.
Yeah.
Rollo, making yourself at home, buddy.
Rolo's
Finally
exhausted too.
Oh my god. This is Mark's newest creation. The thing is ridiculous. Mark, I'm sorry I'm showing this off way before the tour.
It's okay.
Way before the tour.
It's okay. The customers saw it today, and they were really super happy with it. So
Well, they better be happy with it. This thing is a freaking masterpiece. I don't think you
Yeah.
guys understand what the woodworking that went involved into this thing. Look at that curvature of that roof right there.
yeah.
Look at the curves of these right here, guys. Wait until I do the tour of this thing.
I have amazing artisans and craftsmen working with me. It's just so cool how this thing turned out. Luckily, they were really happy with it today, so
were.
that's always a bonus too.
Mark, this is a phenomenal shower.
Yeah.
It really is.
It's an aluminum structure, and then
Yeah.
it's got the toilet that pulls out. It's got a air conditioning duct on the back side of it built in.
Right here, actually. The
And,
ducting goes down all the way down here.
Yeah, so super cool.
This is an expensive van, to say the least.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hours that went
A lot
into
of
this.
love, though,
Yeah.
too.
A lot of love.
A lot of love.
Yeah.
Mark's big heart, a gift to all of his clients, the places you go. He just read it to me, and it was beautiful. Actually, I'm not kidding. I have a video of it. Pick this up tomorrow, and I can't wait to get home and sleep like a starfish. before I hit the road and I go back to Bend, and I'm about to do a video, I am here at Light Harvest Solar. These guys, woo! Look at that. You even have solar panels up on the roof right now. I'm with Miles. We're gonna actually show this off in a video right now. It is a portable power station, but I'm really excited for Miles to kind of give us the whole rundown of this thing. We're gonna get into a lot of details in this video. This is gonna be up and coming soon when I get around to editing it. Miles is going to break down almost a review from the owner himself about this whole power station, what it can do, what it can't do, what's in there battery-wise, inverter-wise, sizes of everything. What are you calling it?
The Light Harvest Sun Catcher.
Light Harvest Sun Catcher. What's up? You want to say hi? Say hi to the camera. You can if you want. Sure. Whatever.
It's
Whatever.
Johnny.
It's one of his employees. But you can contact Miles at lightharvestsolar.com.
That's right.
Still tell you not to put your number on that site.
I quit.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
But you have numbers on there, don't you?
Oh yeah. I've got numbers on there, but I don't have mine.
You don't have your personal
It's on the website. It's on the website.
You call and sometimes you actually get Miles on the phone.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
If you call the right number.
If you call the right number, but it could be Miles, it could be John, it could be Johnny, it could be Shell.
Ben, Shell,
It's
Sam.
a whole bunch of them. Sam, yeah.
We got a lot.
You got a lot.
My allergies are absolutely hurting me. But it is the end of a long 3 days.
We're so tired that this guy down here is zonked out. Like, I'm yelling, and he's not even moving. Nothing. They are a product of our energy.
Well, that and he stays up all night trying to keep me awake.
Trying to play?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted to say it's been a fun time here in Portland yet again. We got a lot done, or at least I did.
We got a lot done, and
Did you get all done? Because you have a whole bunch of vans out there.
And I got a whole bunch of vans out there, but what's also very cool is our two biggest projects that we've had for a year.
No, it hasn't. It's been 8 months.
Well, 8 months. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
About 8 months. Yeah, our biggest projects left the door, so that's exciting.
Talking about my shocks and my suspension. It's still undetermined. I'm about to buy some stuff, but I have no idea if it's going to work.
Let's just get real, Jarrod. You're gonna buy a van again. You're gonna sell the Jeep and buy a van again.
Maybe. You know, I'm not doubting it. What was I? Oh, that's what I want to do next. I really want to do an all-electric vehicle.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah? Have you seen the canoes?
Oh, yeah.
I want a canoe pickup.
Yeah, that'd be pretty sweet.
Hey, Canoe, if you're watching this, can you guys send me a pickup so I can, like...
Can you send me a pickup?
Elon Musk, if you are so happenly just watching this, can you send me a Cybertruck?
I did.
Would you take a Cybertruck?
They're kind of weird looking. There's another company out there that has one that I like better.
Which is?
I couldn't tell you what it is right now.
Did you see the new Jeep hybrid? The Jeep E or something like that. But
I don't really pay attention to Jeep that much.
that's messed up. That's messed up. I'm gonna start driving back. Although Mark offered to buy me dinner. Actually, you didn't offer to buy me dinner. You
Dude,
just said
I did offer to buy you
No,
dinner.
you said let's go to dinner.
It's your birthday weekend. Gotta celebrate. You're like old.
I'm not old. I'm old.
You're old, dude.
We're only as old as we feel right in here, and I don't feel that old. If you made it this long in the video for some odd reason, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, definitely like this guy. He's a pretty cool guy.
All right. We got some big things coming up. Or
We
at least
do.
I do. You do. I know you do.
We all do. It's going to be a good year after this Groundhog Day of a year.
Right? Just over and over.
Over and over
crap.
and over and over and over again. But dude, thank you for coming
Yeah, no
in and
problem.
helping us out.
You're
And
welcome.
always good to see you. Definitely like and subscribe. This guy's going to have some good content, i.e. me, on there.
And also, you're starting up a YouTube channel.
Yeah, but my YouTube channel is going to be very basic.
It's gonna be a products. It's gonna be the Nomadik custom product. Is really what it's gonna be about.
Yeah, I think that's the best way to describe it. Yeah.
Nomadik with a K.
Nomadik with a K.
Not the proper way to spell it. Nomadik with a K. Mark with a C.
It's an anomaly.
It's an
Yo,
anomaly.
I got
And we're done.